In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in on Trailhead Salesforce. Let's get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you usually use. Once you've got that open, type in the address for the Trailhead website, which is trailhead.salesforce.com. Hit enter, and you'll be taken straight to the home page of the Trailhead website. Now, when you arrive at the Trailhead homepage, take a look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on that button. This is going to bring up several login options for you. Trailhead offers a variety of ways to sign in, making it convenient depending on your account preferences. Most commonly, users opt for signing in with their Salesforce account, but you'll see other options as well, such as logging in with a username and password, or through social media accounts like Google. If you're choosing to log in with Salesforce, click on that option and you'll be prompted to enter your Salesforce username and password. Make sure you've got those ready. As you enter this information, it's important to ensure that your credentials are correct. Otherwise, you might encounter issues logging in. If you prefer a different method, such as using an OTP, you can follow the prompts provided to complete the login process using that method. The system is designed to be user-friendly, so just follow the instructions that appear on your screen. Once you've successfully entered your login credentials, press the Enter key or click on the Login button to proceed. At this point, if everything goes smoothly, you'll be redirected, which means the system is verifying your information and logging you into your account. If you're using an OTP or a social login, the system will guide you through whatever extra steps are necessary. Just keep an eye on the instructions as you go. After a brief moment, you'll find yourself on the Trailhead dashboard. This dashboard is your hub for learning on Salesforce. Here, you can see all your ongoing projects, completed modules, and any new learning paths you might want to explore. It's designed to inspire and guide you as you expand your Salesforce skills. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout and offerings, as this will be your go-to spot for all things Trailhead. Congratulations, you're now properly logged into Trailhead. From here, you can dive into all the great educational content and resources that Trailhead offers. If you ever encounter issues logging in, remember to check your username and password details first, and consider utilizing the Forgot Password feature if needed. Enjoy your learning journey with Trailhead Salesforce, and happy exploring.